And welcome to Alt1. In this episode we are going to trade some monthly for binary option, and I will show you again my super simple strategy that you can follow today and make money with today. Before we do that, make sure you click the link you see up here right now, sign up with this broker, or just use the link you find below the video. Included in this link is a promo code that gives you 50% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count. Need to be more than $100 for this promo code to get activated, okay? Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell, and also if you have any question, put them below the video. So now, let's take a look at the market right now, what we can do. Now, let's see, let's take another pair. We are looking for specific areas of trading. Now let's see. I want something that is quite obvious. Let's do we have that pair up? Do we have that one? Okay. I did not like it so much. I will explain, so don't worry. Here, I like that. Here is the area, I like very much. Let's go there, we are in. I will now explain. We put a vertical line here. You see? So, sorry for that. What we can see in this area here, we have many spikes that go down, but he don't break that area. That is for us a perfect entry point. You see also the left here is just one time he broke below that area, but all the others, if we don't consider this one that actually did break down, the rest is winners. So that's why it's a very simple place to put the trade. And now you can see we are making $460 in just seconds. Again, basically in 1 minute, of course, because I do 1 minute trades. So now you see a clear winner, and I will show you some examples after this now, as we now win this trade. And there, that's how easy I made $460. So then we just go over here, you take a look, you just identify specific areas. I will show you here, for example. I can mark it here now. Let's make a line here. Let's drag it down. Here you see, you can take it after. You see here, we come down, we go up. Here we broke down, we don't consider. Here will be two losers, by the way, right? But if you consider here now, you see, you can even take it a little higher up, like there. So here's a line. Then let's say you start. These two, you see here, you start to form the area, right? Then after this to here, you start. So this is the first trade you will take, right? 1 winner, 2 winner, 3 winner. This one would not be taken. 4 winner, 5 winners. There you get 1 loss, but you get 5 winners against 1 loss. You see? Let's say you can identify another line, so you can maybe on the top would be nicer. Here, now it's not so nice. Let's see if we can find out. But here, yes, perfect. Here we have one. So once again, this line was actually put in the correct place. You can put it a little lower there. So you identify. You see already that you were in the top here. You break down. You got a big bar breaking down. Okay, you're now following. Will he now test up? Because this was a support area. Will he now make a resistance? And yes, 1, 2, confirmed. Then 1 winner. Let's zoom in. We would not have taken this one. Maybe if you're triggered, maybe you would have taken it, but let's consider all the ones that we will take. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners, and here you lost. So once again, 5 winner against 1 losing trade. You see how simple it is? Here, we can easily also take a line up here. So let's put a vertical horizontal line. So here once again, what happened? You get a big bar down, will he now form a new resistance point. You wait and follow. Okay, you can think now that this one, you see, he stopped. One more time. Here, you start here. You see? So 1, 2, 3. I would say that you would have lost this one. So here, because this one closed so close to your line, I'm pretty sure you would have lost this trade. So here you got 3 winners against 1 loser. Do you see? So that is how I trade binary option. I do this every single day, and I actually, for a very long time, I think I've been trading live in my in academy, and I share my trades in WhatsApp and Telegram. Okay, and I've been trading for more than 200 days, and in 200 days I think I have 3 or 4 days that is losing days. And when I have a losing day, one day I did have a $10 minus, another was around $100, because in the academy there I basically just do $100 trades. I don't do the 500 because I try to trade over 1 hour, so I do many more trades. So I try to keep it safe, because me also, I have a little problem with emotions. Emotions is your worst enemy. So I keep my emotions down by taking $100 trades. So one of the best days I had 11 winners, 0 losses. But all in all, I only, out of the 200 plus days I had sessions, I only have 3 or 4 losing days. And I think the max was like $200 minus. That's how good we are in this strategy. That's how good this works. And I have a rule. If I lose 3 times in a row, I stop. Or if I take 1 loser, 2 losers, I take 1 winner and I get 2 losers, and then I go in and get 2 losers again, I also stop. I stop when I see that I have more than the loss that 3 losses would have given me. That means around $300 if I'm taking $100 trades and I'm $300 down, I stop. So that is my risk. I do, because if I start to lose more than that, my emotions will start to come in, because like I said, everyone have problem with that. So to stop to that happening, I stop when I have so in that case, if I do 500 trades like I do now, when I'm $1,500 down, then I stop. I don't even try. And next day, I don't try to get the money back. I continue. I do the $500 trade, and I win 460. I stop. This works super good for me. This is how I build account. This is how I do things. Once in a while, people send me their strategies. I go in here, I test them on real account, because if you're going to test something, I do on real account. But when I keep to my own trading, this is how I build account, and this is how you can build also. So put in these rules, and you will be successful today. And also, there are many people telling me, I want to quit my job. Don't quit your job. Don't even think about it. When you start to be successful, yes, you can do so, when you have done it for a very long time. But here is the thing. I wake up typically 7 in the morning. So let's say you start working, you 9, for example, right? You have a 9 to 5 job, right? You wake up 8 to go to work. Wake up 7. Wake up 1 hour before you typically go to work. I do this. I wake up 7 every day. You can too. You can even wake up 6 if that's what you need to do. Okay? Keep your job. Then sit trading for 1 hour. And trust me, in 1 hour you can do a lot. You can trade Forex and binary option. That's what I do typically. I trade 1 hour every single day. I trade Forex and binary option, and I get a lot of done in that hour. Then you get all the experience you need. When you start to be profitable and you start to make more money constantly, than you do with your work, then it's up to you what you want to do. But keep your job, make that your safe income, and keep to the rules I have taught you. Then you will be successful, and only then. Don't just quit your job because you have a 1 week of successful trading, because it's don't, and trust me on that. When you stop working, a new mental pressure will come in. You will feel that you need to make money every single day. I remember when I did stop my work, I was so worried when I had a losing day. I was so worried because I had the feeling I need to make money every single day. The reality with binder, sorry, I'm not 100%. The reality is that you will have losing days, but all over, when you trade Forex and buy an option, you make so much more money some days than you need. So in the average, that's why I'm telling you, only quit your job when you start to safely make more money than you do with your job. But even then you will think, going to my work, I have the double income compared with if I quit my job. Because trust me, you should not trade more, by the way. There are many teaching you that you should trade for many hours. I've seen that there are some famous YouTubers doing that. It's bullshit. More you trade, more emotions, more errors you will start to do. You are able to do all the trading you need in 1 hour. Okay? So keep it that way. So, I know I talked a lot in this video, but it's also a way of teaching your mind to do things correctly. I see there are people joining with my link. I see they start to make a lot of money because I make a percent of your success, very small one. I don't make of your losses, okay? So I follow and I see some are doing super good for a little while. They make a lot of money and then suddenly they lose everything. And I'm sure this is that they think that they want to make back what I lost from the past, maybe from other accounts or whatever. And that's how you start losing money with binder option and with Forex. Emotions. Emotions is your worst enemy. So that's it for this Sunday. I hope you enjoy. I hope, and if you're so far in the video, congratulations for you. Put in a comment that you did see so far. I will see. I would like to see if someone did look so far in the video, if my babbling makes sense for you. Okay. So with that, have an amazing day.